Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Ping Ads certified advertising professional and as well as an SEO expert and digital consultant working in this field from 2005. And in case if you're looking for our services, the details are in the description of this video. And I want you to subscribe to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you about an interesting, amazing three crucial points regarding Google Ads. So in case if you want to make your Google Ads effective and cost efficient, you have to follow on these three tips. These are simple, short, yet viable to make your Google ad performance go up like this. So what you have to do? So first of all, the thing is what I ask and what I tell to the people is that number one point is to focus on your keywords. Keywords is everything. So first point is keyword. By keyword I do not mean to say that you are going to add a lot of keywords in your campaigns. No, I say that small, precise, to the point. And now to the point means intent of the keyword is very important. You need to figure out what a user has in mind while he is searching for a specific query. So buying, purchasing, shopping keywords are the best keywords. In case if you're targeting journal, broad, review, they aren't going to work. In case if you have a price conscious deal, focus on targeted deals, price deals, keywords or cheap keywords. So need to understand, like buy iPhone and cheap iPhone, both wants to buy iPhone but both have a different intent. The person who is searching for buy iPhone wants to buy iPhone, but the person who is searching for cheap iPhone also wants to buy iPhone, but he is more price conscious. So understand the intent behind every keyword. That is very important, which is why the number one small tip I'm going to give you regarding Google Ads effective, to make Google Ads effective and cost efficient, and that is to focus on your keywords. Second thing is, and that you already know, is to have an powerful ad. Now powerful ad doesn't mean to have like strong different difficult keywords or algorithmic synonyms in your ads. No, make it easier, simpler for masses to understand, yet interesting and something so user can have something in your mind, in his mind, to think later on. So your ad should give them an impact. So ad with an impact is going to win. So what you have to do is to create a powerful ad to make it win. So guys, focus on creating a powerful ad which can win the heart. And the third point which I'm going to tell you, and that is your landing page. Now you may be like, these are the points everyone knows it, but what I'm going to tell you about the landing page is very different thing. And that is that the landing page should be simple, precise, without even scrolling. Everything should be displayed on the landing page without scrolling. I also say that it should have countdown timers. So give an urgency, should have form so that you can capture the details. Most of the people do not want to buy on the first visit. So what you are going to do for those visitors? Are you going to lose them? No, you are not going to lose them. So what you're going to do, you are going to capture them and target them through email marketing, social media marketing, or just create a connection so you have them in their mind as TOM. What is TOM? TOM means top of their mind. So to make your product, brand, service TOM in your customer's mind, what you have to do, you have to have an impactful landing page which can force him. The best strategy is to buy right now, but in case if you're not buying right now, just have a connection with them. Offer them a book, offer them a deal, discount, but just have them on your email list, on your social media base, so you can sell them later on. So the point here is not that, right, because this point is going to generate sales for you later on. So the point here is not right now to look on smaller aspect, but look on longer aspect. So these are the three key points I believe that can make your Google Ads efficient, cheaper, and can generate better results for your campaigns. So I hope you like these 3 points with Google Ads. They can even work with Bing ads as well as and with the Facebook ads as well. So I hope, in case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And I want you guys to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss a video. And in case if you are looking to hire me or my team, the details are in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for watching and bye bye.